When I opened the exam slip and I saw those grades, it was obviously very worrying because I hadn't achieved what I wanted to. I was interested in science since I was young, and the idea of being able to research and study science in a kind of a laboratory setting, that fascinated me. Originally, I applied to do optometry in a separate uni. I woke up on results day, I was very hopeful because I know I'd put in the work previously. But I didn't get the grades I'd wished to have achieved. I was quite panicked. You don't really get much guidance after you leave college, so I kind of felt a bit lost. I took a few days to assess my options. After looking at clearing, I'd been given a lifeline. USW had a really great course for me to apply to. Over the phone, the staff were excellent. They provided a lot of clarity over the situation. They took a lot of stress off of me by making the process really simplistic. It's really, really important as a student that you don't panic if you don't get the results you're looking for on results day. Stay calm, look through clearing, there'll be an option available for you. It's given me a clear pathway into my career. It's provided me with structure and it's given me something to work towards to reach my goal.